Today, we're going to walk you through how to determine the best executive model for your fifth wheel setup. To get started with this, we just need to know two main pieces of information. First, you need to confirm your RV's GVWR. This is also referred to as the gross vehicle weight rating. You can typically find this on the outside of the fifth wheel, located on the manufacturer's VIN label. Next, you need to confirm your fifth wheel's frame model. If you aren't sure what the frame model is, you can contact the RV manufacturer, or you can refer to the fitment sheet we have listed on our website. This sheet helps determine which frame model you have based on your bolt pattern. After you've completed these steps, it's now time to calculate your pin weight. To do this, simply take 22% of the GVWR. This will help you find your loaded pin weight. Each of our executive models is built with an optimal pin weight range. The best fitment is achieved when you put your calculated pin weight in the middle of this range. Now, all you have left to do is figure out which executive application fits your towing needs best. The first application we offer is the fifth wheel kingpin box. This hooks up to the fifth wheel hitch in the bed of your truck. The next application we offer is the fifth wheel pin box replacement with the gooseneck coupler. This is available in both an auto and manual latch coupler. Most of our customers prefer the gooseneck style. Rather than hooking up to the bulky fifth wheel hitch in the bed of your truck, it hooks directly to a 2 5/16 gooseneck ball. This allows for much more storage in your truck bed. Each executive's bolt pattern is fully adjustable to ensure the best fitment between your truck and RV. Each model is also built with our patented TORSION-FLEX technology. This technology is proven to remove up to 90% of the inertia between your truck and RV. It acts as a cushion to absorb the movement between your truck and fifth wheel. With our executive, you and your cargo will experience a smoother, safer ride. To learn more about this, visit www.genwhitech.com.